Review Hub. Brand name, YRHAND. Model number, HK1 Pro. Color, black. Mortise, 6068. Battery, 8 PCS AA battery. Door thickness, 35 to 55 millimeters. Working temperature, -20 to +50 degrees Celsius. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Ways to unlock. Doorknob function, biometric, key, and keypad. Smart home platform, Tuya. Unlock way, app, fingerprint, card, code, key. Material, aluminum alloy. Power supply, dry battery. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.